What's going on, guys? Real quick intro here at the shop. I forgot to film an intro at PPIR. So when I first got there, it was about 5:30. Event started at 6. Actually, I got there about 5. It started raining right when I got there. There was a drift event going on. They stopped for a little bit. The event started a little late because of the rain. They'd wait for it to dry up. This event was a legit no prep event, unlike the other event that I just uploaded that said no prep. It technically was supposed to be a no prep, but what ended up happening was there was bracket racing all day right before that no prep event, and so they never scraped the track or whatever, so it was more prepped in the first 330 than probably Bandimere was. So this was virgin road that had no prep down on it. Obviously you can bring your own prep, but it really didn't help that much. That's why the cars are so much slower. Anyways, I think it was like a $4,000 pot. I believe the winner got 3,200 and second place got 800. Not 100% positive, but it is something like that. So before I roll these videos, I just wanted to explain a couple things. It was the first time using the staging lights setup that they had. I guess they had them set way too high, and it was causing people to stage with their bumpers. And it was causing some weird issues, like Derek's truck, the first race of this truck in the orange Camaro, the Camaro red lit, which if you watch the video, it looks like they left at the same time. So they're having some issues with the staging lights. Supposedly they're gonna get them fixed and do more testing with them before the next event. So next event should be pretty cool, and hopefully more people come out. I don't think a lot of people showed up because there was like a 60% chance of rain, and it did rain, but then it dried up. So that's why I don't think people showed up. So roll these clips and show you guys what happened. Two of the big ones. Seems like Derek's ready to party.
Turning out a 5.
What the fuck happened again? They didn't get a light again. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. That black Camaro ended up taking home about $3,200, like I said before. And the second place winner, that blue truck, ended up taking about $800 home. So it was a pretty cool event. Really hopes more people show up next time. Obviously, if the weather doesn't look bad, I imagine people will. Hope you guys aren't getting bored of watching Derek's truck run, but at least it's something until I get this pile of shit done. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, as you guys always do. Check out my Instagram, it's Meticulous, that's it. I'll put the username in the description below. Also, if you're looking for a turbo manifold, I'll put my Big Cartel page down below, also in the description. I will be getting a legit website instead of a Big Cartel store real soon. Hoping to get some apparel up on it for you guys, so you guys can buy stickers, shirts, or whatever. Not sure if I want to make like Suicide CRX shirts, because I don't know, I don't really like the name. So if you guys have any good names or ideas for the channel name, put them down below in the comments. I don't know, I want to change it, I just don't know to what. So there'll be some Meticulous Weld and Fab shirts, of course, that's my business, but I'll let you guys know when those are up. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.